Next up, this is a fun one. I'm going to introduce the company Niftmint. Niftmint enables brands to tokenize physical products combining RWA and DPIN to authenticate goods and drive post-purchase engagement, bridging commerce and Web3 by turning products into verifiable digital assets. Here, all the way from Seattle, Washington, is the CEO of Niftmint, Jonathan Blanco.
One of the biggest problems that brands face is counterfeit goods. Not only does it a hit to revenue, it's actually a hit to the brand perception. Another big problem that brands face is how do you interact with a customer post-transaction? Hi, my name is Jonathan G. Blanco. I'm the founder and CEO of Niftmint, where we create tokenized RWAs to solve these problems in commerce. Counterfeit products, fake experiences, fake products, these are all part of the $3 trillion counterfeit goods industries that RWAs can solve for. Brands are intimately aware of how a consumer visits their site, hits the different apps, but they have zero understanding of where the product is used, how it's used, when it's used, and a nice DPIN could actually make this possible. So when you think about the history of content, it's really just an analog experience on a digital device. And so when you tokenize and you create an RWA, what you're doing is you're actually creating something that can live inside of the network and also outside of the network. So Niftmint, we're like Stripe, but for tokenization. We embed directly into a brand's e-commerce platform, and we abstract all the crypto for the end consumer and for the brand itself. Now, on the engagement side, if you can incentivize people to use these products and to wear these products, and you have the tokenized digital twin as the data oracle, that's what actually unlocks that DPIN opportunity. Now, you might be thinking how you do this. Well, essentially, there needs to be some sort of low-frequency radio or at least some level of QR code that directly ties to that physical good. And that key information that's in the QR code can also live inside of the tokenized element, along with all the key metadata about the product. We've run experiences with T-Mobile, Kiss Beauty, and Ligonier Ministries. And what I want to really highlight is that we're very much focused on the mass market opportunity. We see this as the experience for all consumers, and it's not about forcing a crypto workflow. The business model relies on $1,000 to $10,000 in monthly SaaS. We do think there's opportunities to add transaction fees as well. We're going after the $6.3 trillion commerce market. And we're doing this by building integrations into key e-commerce platforms, so that way it's a one-click install for the brand marketer. Every e-commerce platform has their own app stores. The brand marketer can easily download that product and start using this on their system. And then, of course, we create a lot of content. Our team, I've been working in commerce for 15 years in retail technology. We've been building blockchains together, and we really understand this intersection of Web3 and commerce. We're currently raising $3.5 million, and we have backers of A16Z TXO and Google for Startup. That $3.5 million will help us hit these milestones. Again, my name is Jonathan G. Blanco. I'm the founder and CEO of Niftmint, and we're building the future of commerce. Thank you.
Right on time. OK.